Hi, this is Chef Michael Joseph with Hbf Farms, and today we're going to make a really creative and delicious barbecue sauce out of blueberries. Alright, you're going to start off with a pot, like a medium-sized pot. Add your 1 tablespoon of canola oil and 1 small red onion in a small dice. And we're going to sweat that out, which means we're just going to let it get a little soft. So we're going to put it on medium heat for about 5 minutes until it gets soft. Okay, now we have our onions all nice and soft now. We can add our peppers, our serrano chilies, and our 4 cloves of garlic, and that was 2 serrano chilies. And the reason we're doing this is because garlic cooks pretty fast and we don't want it to get burnt and bitter. So we're going to let this cook for another couple of minutes on the stove. Okay, now our garlic and peppers have cooked a little bit. We are going to add half a cup of water. And we're going to put this back on the stove and let it reduce, which means we're going to let a lot of this liquid just disappear. This is going to help us soften our vegetables a little bit more. Okay, now that probably 90% of our liquid is reduced down, we can add our blueberries, 2 cups of blueberries. And then in this bowl right here, I have half a cup of ketchup, 1/3 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of maple syrup, and 1/8 of a teaspoon of allspice. It's all gonna go right in there. I'm gonna mix it up, stick it back on the stove top for about 20 more minutes until it becomes barbecue saucy. All right, so we've reduced our barbecue sauce. Most of our blueberries have popped. It's a little bit chunky, but that's what we're looking for. If you want to puree it, go ahead. You'll have a smooth barbecue sauce and just give it a quick strain. But I'm gonna keep it chunky. This stuff is delicious and you can use it on any kind of protein you want. Chicken, pork, steak, tofu, anything. Or you can just eat it by the spoonful. For these recipes and more, please visit hbfberries.com.